Course 13, Australia, Oceania Channel for Monday the 14th of January. Strong wind warning is currently in place for the Honiara and Bateman's case down there in New South Wales. And we have a strong wind warning for the central Gippsland, East Gippsland case, and a cancelled one for the central coast in Victoria. Moderate flood warning remains in place for both the Isaac and the Connors rivers here in Queensland. And we switch over to South Australia, Western Australia. Fire weather warning currently in place for the Mount Lofty ranges. Very hot and dry, light and moderate east and northeasterly winds ahead of a moderate southwest to southeasterly wind change during this afternoon. Strong wind warning, Perth local waters, Pilbara, Nigaloo, Gascoyne, Geraldton, Lasserson, Perth, Bunbury Geograph Coast. And WA Bureau of Meteorology Office does have a fire weather warning in place. Now we have a look at storm probability from the 7 a.m. through to the same period on Tuesday. And coming up, we have a look at instability. There are no tropical lows in the western region at present. However, a tropical low 11U likely to develop within a deepening trough over the western top end of the Northern Territory or adjacent Timor Sea later today or Monday morning. The tropical low is forecast to track west over the Timor Sea Monday and Tuesday, gradually beginning to track west to southwest over the Browse Basin later on Tuesday, with the slight possibility of reaching tropical cyclone intensity later in the day. By Wednesday there is a greater risk of the system reaching tropical cyclone intensity, although by this time the system is expected to be over the Indian Ocean, well to the northwest of the Kimberley, with minimal risk of affecting the West Australian mainland. In the longer term, the system will continue to track to the west-southwest through next week, well to the north of WA over the Indian Ocean. Bureau's total forecast of rain. Monday the Bureau has very low, Tuesday low, moderate, Wednesday. Bureau Meteorology is keeping their eyes on a 1003 millibar low. Clockwise winds to within 300 nautical miles. Upper level divergence is very healthy, it's around 30 knots, and the low pressure system is Honiara in the Solomon Island region. And wind shear, 24-hour shear tendency. Now we have a look at the Pivotal Weather website. It's a GFS precipitation model. We have Invest 90S, which is located to the east of the Daly River and is to the southwest of Darwin. The Darwin region experienced a severe thunderstorm last night, numerous lightning strikes. Now we have a look at total precipitable water, and what I look for is the area in peak. The tropical cyclone formation probability guide continues to develop. You can clearly see where 90S is going to be located. However, we have an area of interest in the Westpac and the 1003 millibar low located near Honiara. And the AU channel will continue to bring the latest information. Read the local and tropical weather scenes.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.